Deepam Jyoti, Deepam Jyoti, Deepam Jyoti, Deepam Namo, 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 Namo. Namo, 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 Namo. Deepam Jyoti Namo Sude, Deepam Sarvatyate, Deepam Deepam Sarvatyate. Atikale Tile Tila Yiltirumular. Alagamale Ramadevar. Alagamale Ramadevar. Ananda Shayana Kumbamuni Tirupadi Kanganavar. Kamal. Poppy. 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 You're a good boy. Who's a good boy? Nobody's gonna take your chicken. Nobody's gonna take your chicken. Those teeth. Look at those razor sharp shredding canines. Razor sharp. He catches the prey. He breaks its neck in one swift blow. He cracks the neck, shaking it side to side, and he bites repeatedly until the skin breaks open, exposing the delicious, sweet, bloody flesh. He licks and drinks the blood, creating a larger and wider opening until he can rip out the inner organs of the prey animal, the liver, the spleen, the gallbladder, which he spits out with disdain, the heart, the lungs, which he saves for later, the intestines, the all-important intestines, full of what to a dog is the most delicious of all the scents and flavors. Sagacious old beast. I don't believe in Buddha. I don't believe in Jesus. I don't believe. That is one hell of a snout. I ain't gonna lie to you, Louise. We're here at Rancho Penasquitos Park with Sasha, also known as Anubis, the holder of the keys to the underworld and a champion at shredding bone. You don't often get this close to a dog's snout. Kids, don't try this at home. This is very dangerous. A dog like this is a few million years away from being a wild and dangerous beast. Though domesticated by some millions of years, these millions of years are just a twinkle in the eye of Brahma, a fraction of the time since the Big Bang, but even a fraction of time in the history of mammalian evolution. Deep in the limbic system of this beast is a savage carnivore, ready to shred your neck open, shredding your jugular vein and carotid artery, and making a mash of your innards. You see the viciousness in the eyes of this canine, the absolute willingness to ruthlessly get what it needs without regard to tender sentimentalities such as the bonds between mothers and children, fathers and sons, Americans and their guns. No, this savage mammal with razor-sharp teeth is more closely linked to the shark and the Tyrannosaurus rex than to the baboon, the chimp, the orangutan, the human, and the bonobo. This horrific remnant of a small child who was just 2 hours ago happily playing football with his parents. This is all that's left of this small child's arm. The blood is gone, the inner organs are gone. All that's left is this little stump of bone that this savage beast, masquerading as a domesticated dog, has mutilated. Papi, are you savage? Are you a bestio? Are you a bestio? That poor child, all that's left. The parents will be grieving right now. Well, not quite yet. They don't know he's missing, actually. Poppy! Poppy! I'm gonna go now. Are you gonna stay here with this remnant of the small child? Or are you gonna come with me? For gulab jamun, ras malai, Hyderabadi biryani dum. Hyderabadi biryani Hyderabad dum? Huh? Who are you calling dumb? I am not dumb. Puppy.